Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's Art. We are going to learn a Rangoli design today. In India, each state has its own beautiful Rangoli designs. Today we are going to learn a Rangoli design which is from the border area of UP and Bihar. So let's start. So to learn this art form, we need a pencil, ruler, eraser, brushes. I have taken 00 brush and 000 brush. I have also taken a white pen, basic work, because the surface I have given dark blue color. So I will draw with this and later on I'll paint it with white paint. I always keep soap solution with me so that my brushes are washed properly and an old cloth to wipe the brushes. So let's start. So like every time we do, we leave space for framing and we leave space for border. My plate is a round plate. So I have left 2 centimeter for the border and I'll start from the center. So what we have to do, we have to take our scale and draw exactly line in the middle of the paper. This line is 8 centimeter. At 4 centimeter, I have marked a dot and again I have drawn in this direction 8 centimeter. Each side of this square is 6 centimeter. Inside this square, we are going to draw another square. This is 2 millimeter. This line is 8. This line is 8. All these sides are 6, 6. Then rest is all freehand. In this, we are drawing this. And in the center, we are drawing a swastika. Now, and in between the two walls, I'm just drawing a area. Around this, we are going to draw now draw petal. Normally, Rangoli work is done on the floor which is coated with cow dung and then it is done. So if you want to make it on a colored surface, my suggestion is to make it on a brown color paper or on a red color background. I'm doing little contemporary work today, so I'm making on the blue background. The bigger version of this I have also drawn on the red color paper. Now, what I'm going to draw in the bottom is called the penny. Penny means the area where the feet are there. So this is the penny of my Rangoli. Now, in this, now I'm going to start painting it with white paint. So this is acrylic paint, white color. I'll start from the top. Now we'll put dots here. If you want to make dot with the brush, take less paint and keep your brush vertical. I'm sure your dot will be round. In this, I'm drawing these petals, and later on we'll decorate them with dots and dashes. Now, this part is called Mori. Mori means the top part of our design, and this part is called Penny. Penny means the bottom of the design. Around this, we are going to draw this mehrab design or inverted U design. Now I'm going to paint a very simple border. It's same color which I have used as a base color, this color only. I made it and kept in this bottle. If your hand is not set for freehand drawing, I'll suggest you to mark 1 centimeter on the border so that all your triangles will be of same size. We can make dots with the toothpick also. I'm doing this outline work with 000 number brush. Very, very fine lines. If you are not able to do with brush, please use the pen. With this, art painting is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.